All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're going to talk about a huge, multi-billion-dollar problem that's hiding in plain sight inside the generative AI market. But more importantly, we're going to show you the company that has already built the solution and is totally ready to capture this massive opportunity.
Okay, so here's our game plan. First, we're going to break down the core problem. Then we'll introduce the solution. After that, we'll show you that this thing is already built and ready to go. Then we'll zoom out to see the huge global opportunity, and we'll wrap up with our clear ask for scaling this thing up. So first things first, let's talk about a major flaw in pretty much all the generative AI out there right now. And it's a flaw that isn't just a little awkward. It's actually incredibly expensive for businesses. It's something we call cultural hallucination.
Let me ask you a question. If you go to any of the big AI models right now and ask for an image of Thai food, what do you think you're going to get? Well, you'll probably get something generic, right? Maybe some pad thai, some tom yum goong, but it's going to miss all the specific, regional, and, authentic details that make the culture real. It's a surface level guess, and for a brand, that kind of mistake can be seriously damaging.
And this is exactly what we call cultural hallucination. It's what happens when an AI, which has been trained on just, generic global data, completely fails to understand any nuance. And look, this isn't just some social issue, it's a huge commercial failure. Just imagine a global brand launching a campaign in Thailand using an AI-generated image that gets the cultural details completely wrong. I mean, that's a recipe for disaster. It destroys user trust and makes marketing campaigns totally worthless. So the big question is, how do we fix this? Well, let's get into our purpose-built solution, Prateep AI.
Okay, the key difference, the thing that changes everything, is our training. See, while generic AIs are just scraping the entire internet, Prateep AI is meticulously trained on curated, expert-verified datasets. We work directly with cultural specialists, we use institutional archives, we even do our own photography to build this foundation of true authenticity. And the result? It's content that's not just beautiful, but correct, respectful, and it just connects.
Our mission is pretty simple, really. We're using technology to preserve and promote rich cultural heritage, and we're starting with Thailand. And at the same time, we're building a scalable, profitable blueprint that we can replicate for any culture in the world. We're basically bridging that gap between technology and real human experience, one culture at a time. Now, I want to be super clear about this. Prateep AI is not just some idea on a PowerPoint slide. We are way past the concept stage. We are ready for a commercial launch. Let me show you the proof. So what you're about to see is a live working platform with a serious first mover advantage. This isn't a promise of what we're going to build, it's a product that's already here. So here's the main interface. It's designed to be incredibly easy to use. Anyone can just visit the site and start generating culturally authentic images right away. You've got these simple selectors to guide you. It's built for everybody, no tech skills needed. And for the creative pros and power users, we've got an advanced suite. You can do image-to-image generation, use negative prompts to really dial in the results, and you've got detailed control over all the technical stuff. This is the toolkit for commercial-grade content. A marketing agency could use this to create a whole series of ads that are perfectly tailored to a very specific cultural context. We've also built a community right from day one. In the user gallery, people can share what they've made, get inspiration, and just see the incredible depth of the platform. This gets people engaged, and it organically shows off what our platform can do. It's this awesome cycle of creativity and discovery. Now let's talk about the engine behind all of this. This is our core IP, our secret sauce, and it's what gives us a huge competitive advantage. We have already developed, trained, and deployed over 300 highly specific, culturally accurate LoRa models. Now, for those who don't know, LoRa models are these small, specialized AI models that fine-tune bigger models for specific things. In our case, they basically act like cultural experts, making sure our AI generates truly authentic images. And the best part? This work is already done. And that number, it represents incredible depth. I mean, look at this. We have 70 distinct models just for Thai costumes, 59 for architecture, 60 for food. Each model understands a concept like a bell-shaped stupa or a chakri dress with a level of detail that generic AI it can't even get close. This is our unique advantage. This is what makes Prateep AI so powerful. So, we've got a proven, powerful platform. Let's talk about how this builds into a massive global opportunity. Look, Thailand was our proof of concept. It's where we perfected our playbook for entering any market.
Our method for authentic data collection, expert verification, and efficient model training, we can now deploy that anywhere in the world where cultural specificity matters. Just imagine us doing this for Japan, for Mexico, for India. The possibilities are absolutely endless. And the demand for this is enormous. Seriously, think about it. Advertising agencies that need to create local campaigns that actually resonate. Schools and universities that need accurate teaching materials. Tourism boards, media companies, global brands. They're all struggling to connect authentically. They are our customers, and they are all desperately looking for a solution to this cultural hallucinations problem. Which brings us to our final point. We've proven the technology, we've built the platform, and we've identified a clear, underserved global market. Now, we're looking for the right partners to help us scale and capture this opportunity. Here's our clear 4-step strategy for growth. We're going to invest directly in expanding our cloud infrastructure to make sure we're fast and reliable. We'll accelerate our model training to enter new markets. We'll establish a presence in those key regions, and we'll roll out our commercial subscription tiers for businesses. This is exactly how we're going to take Prateep AI to the next level. So here's the bottom line. An investment in Prateep AI isn't an investment in just another image generator. It's an investment in a critical piece of infrastructure for the future of AI, an engine for digital authenticity. The future of AI is going to be diverse and localized, and we are building the platform to power it. Thank you.